Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be talking about one of the filters in the Clean and Clear family. So this is specifically the Pentair 320. It's part number 160340. This is kind of the mid-size filter for like a play pool or a little bit smaller. This is a great filter made by Pentair, like I said, in the Clean and Clear family. We got lots of these in stock here at 2710 West Bell Road if you want to come pick them up. There's larger ones too, 420, 520, and so on. But it's a good filter by Pentair. 4 filter cartridges inside that get cleaned regularly, keep your pool sparkling clean, and it's a great item by them. So we look forward to seeing you down at the warehouse here to pick one of these up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.